We sometimes forget in the manual therapy or body work world that adjustment to the body of the body takes energy. And that energy can come in the form of you, the practitioner, or your energy. And we know this really well after a particularly long day of work, but also on the part of the patient. It takes some of the patient's energy to properly do that adjustment. And that's the energy to actually hold the new position of the adjustment. And that can come in the form of muscular contraction and nerve tone, a change in nerve tone to actually sustain this. But then there is, of course, also fascial change in orientation, softening of that tissue, and rebuilding, in fact. Once this has actually occurred, though, the body then has to adjust every other structure to that change. This is integration. This is changing the whole body as a complete unit, which is absolutely necessary to actually get an effective change in the body. So if one part moves differently, bad or good, all other parts do as well. In fact, there are no small adjustments in the body. It's really impossible. And so, as a practitioner, it's important that we don't overload the patient with changes, even though it's very possible. When you make something move with excessive force, or when you work excessively on a singular area, it's very costly to the body's energy. You can see it as expensive. And the reality is, the patient is likely seeing you because they are already unwell and they need help in recovering. And they may not have the energy to do all the things you're trying to make them do. So when you do too much, you in fact create an unstable or unsustainable position, even if that position happens to be a better one. The body can in fact attempt and fail at sustaining a better position. Failure is always an option. And this wastes some of its limited resources and energy. Though technically we can still have some benefits when we do too much, you can in fact overshoot what the patient needs and still have that patient recover somewhat. There may actually be more benefits from doing less and not wasting energy on things that are not ready to be adjusted. Achieving this, you may find that you get better results with less effort in less time. And that is a good thing for conserving your energy.